Are you looking for a quick and easy way to leave a Discord server from your mobile device? In this video, I will show you all the steps you need to take in order to leave any Discord server with just a few taps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And now, on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see all the servers of which you're a member. Just tap on the server that you want to leave. And then tap on these three little dots right next to the server name. Then drag this all the way up. And at the bottom you'll see an option to leave this server. So go ahead and tap Leave Server. And then tap Yes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.